Let's learn shapes and colors. This is red circle. This is red circle. This is green rectangle. This is green rectangle. This is yellow triangle. This is yellow triangle. This is blue square. This is blue square. This is a green pentagon. This is a green pentagon. This is green circle. This is green circle. This is yellow rectangle. This is yellow rectangle. This is green triangle. This is green triangle. Well, this is green square. This is green square. This is red pentagon. This is red pentagon. This is blue circle. This is blue circle. This is blue red rectangle. This is blue rectangle. Well, this is blue triangle. This is blue triangle. This is yellow square. This is yellow square. This is blue pentagon. This is blue pentagon. This is yellow circle. This is yellow circle. This is red square. This is red square. This is red rectangle. This is red rectangle. This is red triangle. This is red triangle. This is yellow pentagon. This is yellow pentagon.